Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to another Amazon video. Today's video is going to be my Amazon favorites. I have 5 of them. Well, I actually have 7, but I am combining 2 of the items of my favorites that I'm liking at this moment. So to start with, I got these dishes. It is a set of 16, so it is a 4-person place setting. You get the dinner plate. I got this gray, very pretty. It's got little bumpy ridges around there. So you get the dinner plate, the salad plate, you get the bowl. The bowl has a little pedestal on it, very nice. And then the mugs. I love these mugs. They are a little bit bigger than the average mug. These are all dishwasher and microwave safe. It says oven safe. I have used them in the dishwasher and the microwave, and they've been absolutely great. I have not tried them in the oven. They are porcelain. They are a good weight. So I loved these so much, and since it is only a 4-person setting, I needed to get another set. So instead of the gray, I got the pretty turquoise color. It comes with all the same stuff, the salad plate, bowl, cup. If they had purple, I would have got that, but they didn't. So turquoise is my next favorite color, so I got that. Love these, super pretty. Okay, so the next item I have are these LED candles. They do come in a set of 9. I only have 3 right here. They do have a multiple of different sizes. They do come with 2 remotes. They have a timer. They take 2 AA batteries. And then they have a kind of like rubber wick inside. They are the wax fill. Got the timer, and then you can turn them on. There they are on. They have different settings, so different times on there. I feel like a lot of people have these, and there's tons of them out there. If you go on Amazon and search LED candles, tons of them come up. These, this is the second time that I've ordered these. I have them in the living room. I have them in the bedroom. I do have kitties running around the house. They're on everything, in everything. So I don't want to leave candles lit everywhere. So I like these for that purpose. If you have kids, my kids are grown, so I don't have to worry about them messing with the candles. But I do like these. You can set the timer and not worry about them. So speaking of the kitties, we can't leave them out. I do buy them toys all the time. So next we have this toy ball tower. It's got 3 balls on there. They spin around. Kitties absolutely love this. They play with it all the time, keeps them occupied. Balls just swing around. Good if you have to leave the cats home alone all day. Okay, so the next 2 items I'm going to combine. My youngest does do a wrestling, so we are always at a tournament or a meet, and we're there all day long. So you need snacks, drinks, food. Otherwise you're paying high prices for nachos or hot dogs. So we have this insulated water cooler bag. Does have a slip pocket here, and then your zipper pocket here. The top is zippered, and then it's got the insulated inside. And I don't know how big it is, but it does say it holds 60 pounds. We usually fill it up with ice and then put our drinks in here, and they've stayed cold all day. The ice kind of melts a little bit, but for the most part it kept our drinks cold all day. And then you just wipe it out. You can use it for the grocery store, picnic, beach, whatever. It is a really good size, very thick. And then you can easily wipe it off if it gets dirty. And they did have a couple other colors of insulated bag. The next item we have is this lunch bag. Is a super good size. This is what I put all of our snacks in to go to the tournaments. You've got your handles here, and then you got the long strap for your shoulder. You've got a slip pocket in the back. You've got a mesh pocket here. I've got hand sanitizer in there. And then on this side you have another pocket, and then it's got a hole in the pocket. I'm guessing maybe, I really don't know what that's for. Maybe to put your phone in and then charge it, with the cord out. Don't know. It's plastic. You've got a couple pockets on the front. So you've got the first opening on the top, which is insulated. The whole thing's insulated, so you could just use this for drinks if you wanted. But to be at a tournament all day, we need more than just this full of drinks and food. You got your zipper on the top of it. Find the zipper here. And then you got the inside. It's got a lot of padding and cushion in there to keep your food cold or warm. So I think it would hold about 6-pack of soda, or probably a little bit more. We've put Gatorade and sodas and waters in here before I got the other bag, but then we decided that that just was not enough drinks, so then I purchased the other bag. Okay, so it's got one zipper on here to expand. So it expands the top part so that you can put more stuff in there. Okay, so very handy. You can always use it for work or school, even the beach or picnic also. They do have a few other colors in this. The last item I'm going to share is this lint bin for your dryer lint. Is it glamorous? No. Is it practical? Yes. It has this big old magnet on the back to stick to your washer or dryer, but then also has the little hole in it to hang on the wall if you would like. Mine is dirty because I just cleaned the lint out of it. We have it stuck to the dryer. Super handy. Before we would just clean the lint out and put it on top of the dryer, and eventually somebody would throw it away. This, it's all in one place. Take it, dump it out. And I love that it's magnetic. Great and handy to have. Those are my Amazon favorites at the moment. Always shopping on Amazon. I buy a lot of stuff off Amazon. Yeah, I do. Hope you enjoyed my video. Maybe you saw something that you like. If so, I'll leave the links for everything down below in the description. Don't forget to give me a like on my video. Let's consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.